All right, guys, here we go. 2021 Absolute Football Mega Boxes. Here we go. Welcome to Arch City Breaks, where our goal is to bring the heat and pull you the fire. Good luck to everybody. Here we go. Starting off, we got a Mike Evans, D-Hop, Joey Bosa, Marquise Brown, red Jalen Hurts, Jalen Camp, Diami Brown, Trey McKitty, and a Kenneth Gainwell, and Sage Surratt, and your 1/1 reporter. Drew Lock, yeah, we will, Steve. We'll get him in here. I'll slow down. We got a Jalen Hurts, Matt Ryan, first auto going to Carolina, Terrace Marshall Jr. We got a Stephon Diggs red. Introductions, Kyle Trask, Larry Roundtree, Trey Sermon, Tommy Tremble, Amir Smith-Marset, and that is all. Quinnen Williams, Myles Garrett, Travis Kelce, Dalvin Cook, Big Ben red, Dez Fitzpatrick red, Jarrett Patterson, Adekumbo Agandiji, Rashad Bateman, Demetric Felton, and your kid reporter. Rashard, you're here. Let's pull some fire 49er, eh? Danny Dimes, Tua, Josh Allen, Trevor Lawrence for your rookie materials. There you go, Jacksonville. Rookie materials for the Jags. We got a red Drew Lock by Storm, Elijah Moore, Nico Collins, Boogie Bashingham, Mac Jones, and a Kylan Hill. These are all mixed up. I did not weigh these boxes, but maybe next time I will to bring y'all that kaboom. All right, y'all, here we go. Box number 2. Starting off with Trey McKitty, Kenneth Gainwell, Sage Surratt, Trey Lance, Rookie Force, there you go, 49ers. Matty Ice, red, Chris Godwin, D Swift, Alvin Kamara, Andy Dalton, Jimmy G, and that is it. Starting off with the Boogeyman, Mac Jones ×2 again, Kylan Hill, Diami Brown, Jalen Hurts, red, Greg Rousseau, red, Jonathan Taylor, Derek Carr, Cam Newton, CeeDee Lamb, and your Kid Reporter. Mac on Mac, double Mac with cheese. Rashad Bateman, Demetric Felton, Nico Collins. We have, I'll just use this card. We got a redemption, folks. Orange Mosaic, 105, Jamar Chase. Nice hit there for the Bengals. Jamar Chase, Orange Mosaic. Nice. Good hit there for the Bengals. We got a Drew Lock red, stargazing Jalen Hurts, Deebo Samuel, Teddy Bridgewater, Ryan Tannehill, and a Phillip Lindsay. Tommy Tremble, Amir Smith-Marset, Jarrett Patterson, Adekumbo Agandeji, Big Ben red, Joe Tryon red, Patty Mahomes, TJ Hawkinson, Taysom Hill, David Montgomery, and your Kid Reporter. Box number 3. Here we go. We got a Corey Davis, Nick Chubb, Aaron Donald, Kadarius Toney for the rookie force. Nice hit there for the Giants. TJ Hawkinson, DK Metcalf, red zone, Rondale Moore, Hunter Long, Dez Fitzpatrick, and a Jalen Camp. Devontae Adams, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Keenan Allen, Justin Tucker. We got a red Deebo Samuel, red Caleb Farley, Terrace Marshall Jr., Kelvin Joseph, Marquez Stevenson, Micah Parsons, and your Kid Reporter. Dude's an absolute stud right here. Khalil Mack, Miles Sanders, Calvin Ridley, Tyson Campbell for your auto. There you go, Jags. First time breaking with us, you get an auto and a jersey. Cannot complain about that. Tyson Campbell auto. Patty Mahomes. By Storm. Jalen Waddle. Michael Stracken. Elijah Molden, and a Kyle Pitts, and a Nick Bolton. There you go, Atlanta. That's my team right there, but God, do they suck. I guess they're still in the playoff picture, but not by much. Sorry, Mac Daddy. Sam Darnold, OBJ, Jalen Ramsey, LaVisca, Joe Mixon, we got a red, Frank Darby red, Aziz, Pat Freiermuth, Gary Brightwell, Amon-Ra St. Brown, and your Kid Reporter. Doesn't make the board, but he does get top loaded. We have not drawn a Kaboom from a Mega, but we have got a Kaboom from a Blaster. It was Lamar. The Lamar Jackson. Our very first break, actually. Pretty nuts. Baker Mayfield, Matthew Stafford, DJ, Chase Young, J.J. Watt, red, Joe Tryon, Adafe, Najee, There you go, Pitt, Joe Tryon, Chuba Hubbard, and your kid reporter. Yeah, it was from a blaster. It was nice. It was a five blaster, five absolute blaster, and a 5 Donruss blaster. We pulled a Mac Jones Donruss rookie, and then we pulled that Kaboom. Yeah, we've been pulling some good stuff lately. Let's keep it up though. Joe Burrow, AJ Brown, Randall Cobb, going to the Jets, Elijah Moore, rookie force. Look at that. What is that? Dog hair on his jersey? I ain't gonna touch it, but I don't know what that is. Wow, a gold LaMelo from a select blaster. Wow, that is nuts. Darren Waller red. Russell Wilson red zone. Greg Rousseau. Devontae Smith. Javon Holland. Davis Mills. All quarterbacks here get sleeved and top loaded. I mean, for goodness sakes. What? Tom Brady was picked in the, 5th or 6th round? You just never know, folks. I think it was 2 weeks ago we were doing the same break. We pulled three numbered autos. Ian Book out of 100, 1 out of 25, and 1 out of 10. 6 mega boxes, all autos, all numbered. That was a good night right there. Kyler Murray, Josh Jacobs, Jonnu Smith, DK Metcalf. We got a red Hunter Henry, Greg Rousseau red, Chris Evans, Ian Book, Peyton Turner, Patrick Jones, and your kid reporter. T. Higgins, Tyreek Hill. He went off last night. Aaron Jones. Whoops. Cornell Powell, 4-year auto. There you go, KC. Russell Wilson red. Stargazing Nick Bosa. Asante Samuel Jr. Ramondre Stevenson. Ernest Jones. Tyson Campbell. Box number 5. Box number 5. This is a thickie. Got a Philip Lindsay, Jonathan Taylor, Derek Carr, Javonte Williams for the Broncos. There you go, Bronx. Got an Andy Dalton red. Stargazing Josh Jacobs. Chauncey Goldston. Kwity Paye. Justin Fields. Trayvon Moehrig. And that's all. David Montgomery, Deebo Samuel, Teddy Bridgewater, Ryan Tannehill, Alvin Kamara red. We got a red Christian Barmore, Sage Surratt, Jalen Phillips, Travis Etienne, Jamar Jefferson, and your kid reporter. Patty Mahomes, TJ Hawkinson, Taysom Hill, Sage Surratt, auto going to the Lions. There you go, Detroit. D Swift red. We got a red zone Darren Waller. Green Bay Kylan Hill, Diami Brown, Trey McKitty, and a Kenneth Gainwell. Darren Waller, Hunter Henry, Russell Wilson, Joe Mixon, red CeeDee Lamb, Greg Newsome red, Demetric Felton, Nico Collins, Boogie Bashan, Mac Jones. That's the third one, and your kid reporter. What's it going to be, folks? Is it going to be the Pats and the Bucks in LA or what? That would be nuts. Last box. Good luck to everybody. Here we go. Got a Kyler Murray, Josh Jacobs, Jonnu Smith, Jalen Camp, 4-year auto. There you go, Jacksonville. Jacksonville's got 2 autos and a jersey from T-Law. There you go, Jacksonville. Red Zeke, Red Zone DK. We got an Ian Book going to the Saints, Peyton Turner, Patrick Jones, and an Asante Samuel Jr. for the Chargers. DK Metcalf, T. Higgins, Tyreek Hill, Aaron Jones, red Jared Goff, Kyle Pitts red, Ramondre Stevenson, Ernest Jones, Tyson Campbell, Jalen Waddle, and your kid reporter. Show me how you waddle, waddle, waddle. This is a thickie. Here we go. Nick Bosa, DJ Moore, Derrick Henry. It's going to be a A.J. Dillon. Whoops. Ball Hogs. Green Bay. There it is. Nice hit there for the Pack. A.J. Dillon. He's going to be their starter next year once they get rid of Aaron Jones. We got a red Patrick Peterson. Stargazing CMC. Quincy Roche. Kellen Mond. Sam Ellinger. Tylan Wallace. And that's it. Last pack of the night. Here we go. Good luck, y'all. Good luck. Here we go. No, you got two Waddles there for the Dolphins. 2 Waddles. Brandon Cooks, J.J. Watt, Darren Waller, Hunter Henry, red Kenny Galladay, Nick Bolton, Penei Sewell, Dwayne Eskridge, Eric Stokes, Kinney, and a kid reporter. All right, guys, for the recap of the night. It was not a bad break. All cards are shipping tomorrow, folks. All right, here we go. Here we go. Sage Surratt auto. Tyson Campbell for the Jags. Kyle Trask introductions. Kellen Mond. Sam Ellinger. Ian Book. Devontae Smith. Davis Mills. Patty Freiermuth. Jalen Waddle. Najee. By storm, Jalen Waddle. Rookie force, Kadarius Toney. Rookie force, Trey Lance. Mac Jones. Cornell Powell, auto. Kyle Pitts, rookie. Mac Jones, rookie. Jalen Camp, auto. Rookie force, Javonte Williams. jersey. Terrace Marshall, auto. Kyle Pitts, rookie. Micah Parsons, rookie. Trevor Lawrence, materials. A.J. Dillon with the materials. Justin Fields, rookie. Rookie force, Elijah Moore. And your signature rookie, orange mosaic, Jamar Chase for the Bengals. That is one nice card right there. Let me know how long it takes you to get it. It might be a little bit, but it'll be worth it. Guys, we got a lot coming up here. Monday, we got 5 boxes of XR Hobby at 9 o'clock. Tuesday, we got baseball. If you guys collect Baseball Chronicles, 5 megas, 2 hobbies, 11 autos total. That's at 8:30. We got a lot more, though. A year, yeah, you're probably right. We got, we're going to get 2020, we're going to mix 2021 Absolutes, what we just broke, and 2020 Select. So we're going to look for some Burrow, Chase Young, Tua, CD, Justin Jefferson, Jonathan Taylor. And they're, guys, last year was insane, so we're going to look for them. So be on the lookout for that. And then we're going to do a Hobby NFL Mixer. So, yeah, guys, we got a lot coming. 9 months ago. Dang, what was it? What was it, Jordan? Or Mr. Adams? Jordache? Did I pronounce it right? But yeah, guys, we got a lot coming up. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for joining us here at Arch City. And you guys have a fantastic weekend.